What if I told you video editing is now as easy as photo editing? Pippit just dropped Pippit's Dreamina Seedance 2.0, and it lets you edit any part of a video using just text. Say the change, see the change. Like, you can edit, replace, or enhance any part of a video with simple controls. Sounds impossible, right? But before I tell you how it is possible, let me know in comment section that are you a video editor? Are you a content creator? Because if you are, you already know the pain. Changing a background? First, you need a green screen. Then you spend forever keying it out perfectly. Then comes masking the hair, fixing edges, dealing with color spill. Suddenly, hours are gone for a single shot. Removing something from a video? A random person walking through the background, a logo on someone's shirt, a coffee cup that ruins the whole frame. That means frame-by-frame cleanup or expensive plugins, and combining footage from different videos, taking a person from one clip and placing them into a completely different scene. That's not editing anymore. That's VFX. Different skills, different tools, different budget. What takes 4 hours in After Effects is about to take you 4 seconds. Introducing Pippit's Advanced Editing. Pippit AI Agent has launched a new model, Dreamina Seedance 2.0, now in early access on Pippit. This is a next-generation video AI model that lets you edit any part of your video with just a text prompt. Pippit's new model actually understands video, motion, lighting, depth. And here's what makes this different from every other AI video tool I've tested. The AI plastic look. It's gone. Real footage and Dreamina Seedance 2.0 output are nearly indistinguishable. Pippit has integrated this directly into their platform, so you control all of it with simple text commands. So what does this actually look like in practice? I tested it across 5 different areas, and the results kept getting more insane. Let me walk you through them. Quick, before I show you these, hit that like button if you're into AI tools. It helps more than you think. First, the realism. This is the biggest one. Finally, AI characters that look like actual human beings, not mannequins. Skin texture, hair movement, fabric folds, everything breathes. You genuinely cannot tell this apart from real camera footage. And that realism isn't just about how things look. It's about how they move. Because what's the point of realistic skin if the motion still looks like a broken GIF? No more melting limbs, no more warping backgrounds. The physics in Dreamina Seedance 2.0 are rock solid. Fast action, complex movement, multiple subjects, all smooth, all natural. Zero distortion. Now, great visuals and smooth motion are powerful. But what really separates amateur video from professional video? The camera. So I tested that next. You can simulate camera movements that never actually happened. Smooth push-ins, pans, tilts, overhead drone sweeps, close-ups all generated from text. You're not just prompting anymore, you're directing. The camera moves exactly where you tell it to. Okay, so individual shots look incredible. Same character, same style, across multiple scenes. That's where every AI tool I've tried completely falls apart. Dreamina Seedance 2.0 doesn't just understand visuals. It understands storytelling. It maintains character consistency and scene logic across every cut. Same face, same clothing, same world. You can build mini-series, short dramas, brand narratives, all from prompts, scene after scene. And then I tried the one thing I thought would absolutely break it. Product commercials, close-up shots of food, tech gadgets, cosmetics, the stuff that needs to look absolutely flawless. And honestly, the results looked like a 6-figure production. Realistic product demos, dramatic showcase angles, professional quality ads. One prompt, done. Perfect for brand ads and creators who want high-end results from simple inputs. So which feature excites you the most? Drop a number from 1 to 5 in the comments. 1 for realism, 2 for motion, 3 for camera, 4 for storytelling, 5 for commercials. Now I know what some of you are thinking, and that's exactly why this matters. Now zooming out for a second, why does this matter? What used to take hours now takes seconds. What used to cost thousands is now free. Definitely check that out. And if you know someone creating AI content who needs to see this, share this video with them. It could genuinely save their channel. You know the honest limitations. You know how to stay safe. Only question left. If you want to try this yourself, here's the best part. Pippit now offers a free trial. Sign up to Pippit and get new credits daily. Start the next era of content creation only on Pippit. Link in bio, just go to pippit.ai, create an account, and start using its new model right away. Now, this isn't for everyone. If you need frame-by-frame control over every single cut, stick with Premiere or DaVinci. But if you want premium results fast, this is the best tool I've tested in 2026. The barrier to professional content creation has never been lower. Go check it out. And if you make something cool, tag me and at Pippit Official. I'd love to see what you create. Drop a AI in the comments if you're going to try it.